Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. The modest houseplant aloe vera is a miracle or wonder plant, frequently hiding in plain sight. It has long been used as a medicinal herb and nourishes the body from the inside out. It is nutrient-rich, helps with digestion, and even strengthens the immune system. Additionally, aloe vera can be applied topically, meaning that its gel can be utilized to improve one's skin, particularly the face and hair. 11 health benefits of aloe vera. 1. Menstrual disorders. Juice from aloe vera plants helps young girls with dysmenorrhea and menstrual flow. Aloe vera should not be consumed by people with heavy periods. 1 week before your period, mix 1 spoonful of aloe vera with half a glass of water and drink it. Drink 1 glass each day for 7 days. 2. Heart cleansers. Aloe vera juice cleans the aliphatic system and blood. The bloodstream must be cleaned as part of the medical care process in order to develop blood, and clean blood is accomplished by combining vitamin A and pumpkin leaves and squeezing them with water. Drink 2 glasses of liquid as directed. 3. Rashes. The juice should be administered to the affected areas many times. Aloe vera soothes itch. Aggressive Kaposi sarcoma, or AKS, a skin condition that affects AIDS patients, has been treated using aloe vera. 4. Diabetes. A clinical study carried out by a researcher from Thailand in 1995 revealed that aloe vera juice effectively treated diabetes. Aloe vera can lower blood sugar levels by a tablespoon. Mistletoe leaves function well when coupled with aloe vera. Aloe vera juice should be diluted in a half glass of water for the dosage, which is 1 tablespoon taken twice daily. 5. Stretch marks and skin wrinkles. Excessive use of active bleaching cream, rapid weight loss, obesity, and pregnancy are the main causes of stretch marks and skin wrinkles in humans. Rub the affected area of the body with a mixture of aloe vera gel and carrot paste. Carrots and aloe vera are effective for removing stretch marks and wrinkles from the skin. 6. Breast cancer. Aloe vera should be consistently used by cancer-stricken women to increase their likelihood of survival by 60%. Aloe vera kills tumor cells and promotes the production of new ones. Aloe vera leaf should be completely cut into pieces. To allow the therapeutic components of the plants to release into the water, add 1 leaf to 3 glasses of water. Place the container in the refrigerator if possible, and allow it to ferment for 24 hours, even overnight. Take a glass of it in the morning and another in the evening or at night, and keep doing so until the illness is gone. 7. Rheumatism. Aloe vera juice, garlic, ginger, and honey have been found to be effective in treating conditions known as hyperacidity states or the blood, such as arthritis, articular muscle aches, and rheumatism. Aloe vera juice, ginger, garlic, and honey should be mixed and used topically as well as consumed. 8. Wounds and burns. Because aloe vera includes 3 plant steroids that are anti-inflammatory, it is effective in the treatment of burns. Aloe vera helps wounds heal because it does the same for its own wounds, which speeds up their regeneration and lessens scarring. Aloe vera juice should be extracted and applied to the affected region 3 times each day to help cure burns and wounds. 9. Stimulates hair growth. Aloe vera stimulates hair growth well for both natural hair growth and natural hair color. Aloe vera juice contains pantothenic acids, which promote natural hair development. Apply aloe vera juice to the entire head of hair twice daily in the morning and evening. 10. Insomnia. Due to the demanding work during the day, it may be difficult to fall asleep at night. To help with this, mix a small amount of honey with aloe vera juice and drink it before bed. 11. Immune booster. Aloe vera has traditionally been used to boost the immune system. Aloe vera's ability to strengthen the immune system is widely known among those who practice natural medicine. Acominin, an immune stimulant chemical found in aloe vera, boosts defense. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.